hear this. Liberty come through carelessness. So no matter with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, me want you hear.
Then I'm afraid of police.
A 50 grand for your rent, you know, but as you may give you for 20 through your blind. What you stepping on?
Oh, say a bad man, me no throw out already.
Oh, no left. Stay till me come.
Wait! Oh, they kick me out! They kick me out!
And yo, now stay back in our place now. That way I get paid now.
Wait, mama! Mama, don't throw me out! Don't throw me out, mama! Wait! Wait!
Hey girl, I saw you early. So don't over there, so I'm so ready for you.
Girl, me have some news to tell you.
So I'm one girl.
Girl, me win big bingo last night.
I lie.
Right now, me have them myself.
Show me girl right now. Yo! Girl, what a piece of luck you falling now.
So what you say, girl? Where you depend? Where you want to buy?
Girl, me don't want more than for that, but they look second hand.
No, girl, up a bunny me. Bingo me buy, girl. Bingo me get them. You say bingo me win them.
Babes, so I go on. I'm in to us now. I'm going to get a talk now.
May I come? Listen.
Well, babes, there's some money I look for you with some business, you know.
Hey, you know, say not no going for morning though. Like, give me card, don't overdo it.
That me have a lover sign of baby.
So you say?
Yeah, man. I'm not into something, you know, I have a lover, you know.
Alright.
Alright, one. Beyonce, how are you there? Girl, me run a Jive boutique run a West End. Try hurry up and come. No eat no Richie him, girl. Yes, but he want to go shopping. So guess what? Me I go down him money. Hurry up and come, girl. Run a Jive boutique run a West End. Hurry up, hurry up. Warm girl. Yeah. You alright?
Yes, my face so long.
So girl, listen up, we like take up anything, girl. Can I have money? We pay for take up anything you want to take up.
Me like that.
I want.
How is she?
I'm a friend. Where money then?
Card me house, baby, man. Card me house.
So, girl, you don't want nothing more?
Girl, me like that pink and blue hat there. As a beach cap that match my swimsuit over there.
I true, you know. Yo, Richie, take down the hat there for me there.
But Richie, wear my hand full, put it on my head there. Tell me sis, what you gonna do for yourself?
Well, him say we are going to Sunrise Cafe go have lunch. So mum, where you say we are do? Send up them up on bike taxi?
No man, me I go home go change. Me must say me heart was nice. Me take them here from you and go change.
Heavy not true?
God almighty man, you put me there, you know.
Look.
Alright, so me go over. As I see me yard close and change and me meet down at
Alright.
Alright.
Can't go on the fine.
Alright, mama, later.
Right, so Richie, come on, no, me hungry now. Cha.
Oh God. Was the money done?
Why mind where you say, mind how you step.
Yo, why you be nice now? Too much nice now. If you ball, but you want your mother. When you crush time, you say go want your mother. We don't know sad story in a prison, man. At 25 years, me had a ball. Where the pan?
This is the list of what we're having today.
So be answer what you want, cause me go take the fried chicken with orange juice.
Alright, mama.
Other way you want to know, girl, other way you want.
Want a grilled lobster?
The green lobster is done to order.
It's done to order?
Yes.
Oh man. Alright, me hungry but so me not go wait. Me I take fried chicken instead.
Okay, no problem.
And I prefer the breast and the wing.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, man.
What you having today, sir?
Me a plate of rice and chicken there. Give me a glass of water.
Water is served with every meal here, sir.
Give me a $50 soda then.
We don't sell $50 soda here.
So you know say like the plastic juice then.
No.
Give me a nice sir then.
That completes your order?
Yeah man.
Okay. Food tastes good, yes, So Richie, alright.
Hello sir.
How do you?
Yeah, me I go on to place to start out and then I'll be alright.
What Richie, you know to say me and my friend there?
Me I go on like a friend of little baby. Can't give me fear, I can go home.
Oh, you know easy. Me can't do that. Tell me and the girl come here, you tell me make a girl boy.
Come deal with a nice man, you just go on and
Yeah, you deal me nice. Me thank you, but you know, me and my friend I can't do that. Man. Relax, man. Tomorrow me come check. Here's a bill, sir. Richie, alright?
yeah man, I'm good man. I'm here to change this man. I can't tell you.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? When I use it, I don't know man. Right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all about things are gone. I make it nice, man.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have a minute, please?
What's the problem?
I am afraid I'm going to need your ID.
You know what's some leave that I had?
Well, I am seeing Rosie Campbell on this.
Yeah man, I'm a wife man.
Mom, can you pay cash? Because it's saying
You know when I have cash problem. We use that all the while man.
well, I'm afraid it's not working, so I am going to have to call the manager.
Sir, give me a minute.
Yes sir.
If you can't manage to pay the bill, we'll have to call the security or you have to wash the dishes.
Anyway boss, they wash the plate them and what? Follow ladies them go and put them on car now.
No. You have to wash the dishes or we'll have to call the police.
Me wash the dish.
Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, me want you hear me, miss. A carelessness cause this a crisis. Pay attention.